Hi, it's Gail with Traders Help Desk. I wanted to go over some stock entries that we had this week on the charts from Sunday. On Goldman Sachs, you did have an entry here. You're at a support and resistance area plus an ATR. You had a decrease in volume as the price bars were coming back to the ATR. On Ford, same scenario, comes back to the ATR, does it on diverging volume, and we have seen higher highs since then. On Verizon, you can see I have specifically mentioned I thought it would come back and test the ATR. We had a bar that gapped up and then came down, came to the ATR, flipped it, but formed that line of congestion dots. Then you had diverging volume and up it goes. On Duke Energy, you can see that we flipped the ATR, came back to test the ATR, then came down. Came to the congestion dot, tested it on the virgin volume, came down. On PCLN, if you extend this green line out, you can see that it tested that area quite a few times. You did get two entries. You had absolutely no sellers on that bar. But also, if I extend this chart up, you can see that buyers stepped in on the low here and they stepped in on the low here, giving you excellent entry points into that uptrend. On Apple, you can see almost the same scenario. You come back to the green line, absolutely no selling in that bar whatsoever. Up it goes, comes back to the ATR, and then goes up to your 14. I'm sorry, not your 1440. It's on stocks. It's the equivalent of a daily chart, which is 390 minutes. So now it is coming down because that is the area that it found resistance. Again, it just shows you that these indicators work on any markets in really any time frames as long as it is intraday.